Ableton Live's user interface is divided into 4 sections: the browser, the main window, the clip or device view, and the control bar. In the browser, you'll find all your musical assets. This includes instruments, audio clips or samples, effects, plugins, and Ableton Live sets or .als files. The browser is divided into 2 sections. On the left is the sidebar, and on the right is the content of whatever is selected in the sidebar. You can toggle the browser on and off with this selector button and resize it by dragging this divider line. You can also resize the 2 panes by dragging this divider line. Once we've chosen an instrument or an audio clip, we'll place it onto a track in the main window. The main window can be displayed either in session view or in arrangement view. To toggle between the two, press the tab button on your computer keyboard or press one of these 2 selector buttons. There'll be a full video explaining the 2 views, but for now, we'll be working in a more common arrangement view. In the main window, you compose and arrange your music onto tracks. There are 2 types of tracks: audio and MIDI. Here we have 2 of each. To create sound on an audio track, you either place an audio clip onto it or you can feed sound into it. You can then manipulate the sound and add effects to the track. To create sound on a MIDI track, you need 2 components: a device or instrument such as a synthesizer, a sampler or a drum rack, and a MIDI clip which provides the device with a musical score, or in other words, the instructions on how to play that instrument. Down here is the clip or device view. This is a detailed view of whatever clip or device is currently selected in the main window. To turn this view on and off, press this selector button. And to toggle between the clip and device view, use these 2 tabs. The control bar is where you control different aspects of Ableton Live. This is the tempo field. At the moment, it's set to 120 beats per minute. To adjust it, click on it and type in a number, or hold down the left mouse button and drag up or down. These are the play, stop, and record buttons. Click anywhere on the timeline and notice the flashing insert marker. If we click on the play button now, playback will start from this point. Playback can also be toggled on and off by pressing the space bar on your keyboard and will always start from wherever the flashing insert marker is. Move the cursor over the beat time ruler so that it turns into a magnifying glass. Now hold down the left mouse button and drag up and down to zoom in and out, and left and right to move the timeline. Just below the beat time ruler is the loop brace. Zoom in on it and center it on the screen. Now move the end marker back to bar 4 and click here in the timeline to set the insert marker on bar 3. Then turn on the loop switch and press the space bar. Playback will start and the area inside the loop brace will play on repeat. As long as the loop switch is turned on, we can move the end or start marker and Ableton Live will continue to only play what's inside the loop brace. In the next video, we'll learn more about audio tracks, audio clips, their properties, and we'll also lay down some loops and get a basic beat going. So let's make some beats!